I just arrived in Sanur a couple of hours ago. Checked in the hotel, obviously. Just going for a walk just to keep fit. And here is this amazing structure that is being built. They start at 8 AM and they have two shifts that run up until 10 PM at night. But it seems very quiet there, so looks quite impressive. I'll see if I can find the artist impressions. So there's one there. You'll probably have trucks coming through, but I want to try and get entry into there. I've already seen some abandoned buildings and missed a lot that I would have liked to have gone into, but it does look quite impressive and very, very quiet compared to the noisy street life. But what we'll do is I'll cross the road and we'll try and have a bit of a sticky beat. So yeah, so it's so nice. So we'll try and get a sticky beat, but I've already been told no. So we'll just cross the road and try and get a bit of action there. So yeah, like you have to be being respectful. If they say no, just walk off. But yeah, it looks quite good actually. So they've obviously got Marks and Spencer's coming, Steakhouse, Time Zone, IMAX, and everything else that you can see there. So it looks quite nice, and next door I think that could be some condos or something, but we'll walk past that. And I came and ate a meal here actually when I arrived, and very, very nice. It's called Happy Monkeys, and the reason I popped it there because left all good, and where I was staying in the resort spa, there were monkeys all over the place, so I thought this might be good karma. So it is very good impression. I did make a quick video in here of the menu and the food. Absolutely lovely. Ate the chicken rendang and I had a refreshing drink which was I forget, you'll have to watch like the video. So yes, so we'll roll on, we'll move on, and there's a gangway. Looks like some type of apartments. Yes, apartments are here, so very nice. So lots of progress going on here, so someone's spending up big. And here's some street food, guys, some street food. Very good, very good. We move on. But I think this is called the Magnum Residence Sanur or Sanur, who knows, who cares. But back to walking. Yeah, that looks quite nice actually. Yeah, there's plenty of restaurants around. I'll try and try a few different ones instead of eating at the same place, but I am a creature of habit, and if I do find a good place, I like to go back. But there are plenty of places to eat. So yeah, I've just dropped off my laundry at a laundry place. Yeah, I probably should have shopped around. Like the express was like 4 hours and probably about $12 Australian, but I ended up just saying, okay, I'll come back tomorrow at this time, and that was worked out to be about $4.50 Australian, so that's acceptable. Yeah, because travelled light on this trip. You know, I can always buy some more stuff. We just moved like the camera, not to show like the girls. Yeah, so here's some clothing. Yeah, most of those shops are pretty much the same. Yeah. And here's a laundry, funny enough, but this is not the one I went to. But heaps of bars and pubs like this all around. Yeah, as I said, I've only just arrived, I think, 2 hours ago, so already out making videos. I was going to jump on the bike and just stick the GoPro on it, but I thought I have been a bit slack of late and not had a good walk, so it is good to exercise and keep the blood pumping through the heart. And here is a laundry. Okay, they've got a 3-hour express, so yes, and free delivery to the hotel. Oh my god. Yeah, like I walked past one place, but they didn't have the laundromat there. and so it'd be like an on-forward sell, and I don't like that. You know, I prefer to go to the place and support the business instead of paying somebody to do it. Yeah, so here's another little restaurant, very nice, very nice. How you going, mate? All right? Yeah, trying to. Yeah, I'm trying to keep up the pace a bit, so we'll see how we go for tomorrow. I'm trying to upload stuff as I go, but over the last, I think, 4 days of up until this morning, I hadn't uploaded anything, but by the time this was uploaded, I would have uploaded a whole bunch of videos. I have done 2 live streams since I have been in Indonesia. I've been here for well over a month. I've done 2 live streams, as I said. I've released 2 shorts, and we're going to release some videos shortly, but by the time you've seen this, I would have already done that. And there I am in the reflection. I have my protection there. Yes, protects you from the sun. Yes, so far in the month I've had really good meals. There's only been one meal I was a bit iffy about, and I put that down to it had MSG in it. I'm not allergic to MSG, but I did get a funny reaction, so, and I ate somewhere else, and a friend of mine ended up, was quite ill, so, and they are allergic to MSG, so it was the similar taste to the meal I didn't enjoy. But apart from that, the food's been fantastic. I haven't really had too much street food compared to Thailand. I've eaten mostly restaurants, so I'm pretty confident I've only had 2 street food meals, but they were quite good. Like my friends went and got that for me, and very, very tasty. Like obviously with the locals, they know where to go. Yeah, so far so good. I should get myself a back massage, because I did ride from Ubud to here today. I used the navigation. I lost one of the ear pods. I don't know how, but it's all good. It was only a $50 ear pod, so yeah, we'll see how we go. I'm not too sure if I'm going in the direction of the beach. I haven't pulled out my phone. I'm just going for a walk and just checking the lay of the land. Like, I probably should have taken the bike, but as I said, trying to keep fit. You know, coming up to 4 years off the grog, and being well over a month off the herbs, and I just have to give up the cigarettes now. And tomorrow's coming up to the anniversary of like my mum's death, so I thought I'd come down to the beach tomorrow, and yeah, that's all good. She's resting in a good place, I hope, but enough of that. But here's the exchange rate today. It's looking quite good. It's been fluctuating around 98, and current price you see. I'm currently using a travel card, and if I use the CAMB bank, I don't get any fees whatsoever. But if I use a different ATM, I only get a $2 fee. Like while I was travelling through other Asian countries, I'll give an example. If I was in Thailand, if I used my bank card, I'd be slugged 220 baht plus a 15 to 16 AUD fee. So I used a Wise card mostly in Thailand, and I was only really getting a 220 baht fee. But with the travel card, you can use them in Thailand. And the odd thing about it, I did work at the bank, and I really should have got one of them, and I would have been better off in the long run. But you need to learn from your mistakes, move on, and not repeat them. So, because I don't like to part with money that I don't have to. And here's some nice kites. I do remember as a child, I had a hawk one that come from China, and it got stuck up in a tree in Largs Bay. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that, but yeah. But obviously I've mentioned I come from a large bay. I've done numerous streams and videos from there. It is a beautiful part of the world. I think so far the most friendly place has been Chiang Rai. To date, the most friendliest city I've been to in the world. I tried to move the camera away from the beggar. It's I've got no issue helping out people, but yeah, there are a lot of scams that do happen here. Sadly, you get scammed in mini marts, Circle K's. I did do a video on that the other day, so check that out. I will tag it as like I did for that Lao tips and tricks or something, I don't know. But you really got to keep your eyes open here in Indonesia. It is a beautiful place, but sadly scammers do give Bali a bad name, and you know, it's only really a couple of cents at the end of the day, and it does add up. Like, that's what I laugh about. It's just a couple of cents, but it's the principle of the matter. Like, you go into one of these convenience stores and they'll say, oh sorry, I don't have any coin, and then they'll look you up and down and try and shush you out, and if they think you're a bit thick, they might try and exchange some coins off you and shortchange you. But a lot of the times they'll just chuck you 1,000 RPL, which is about 5 to 10 cents. That's 10 cents Australian. So, you know, it doesn't mean much to me, honestly, but it's the principle of the matter. And it's quite interesting in Ubud that trick was tried on me at pretty much all the convenience stores, and I was getting a bit jacked up about it, so I made a video on it. I tried not to slander anybody. I spoke the truth as I do, but if you haven't been to Bali before, there might be some education for you. And just I know from previous years, using money exchanges, they do try to trick you with counting, but I did work in the bank, so I do know how to count, even though I do have dyslexia. Go figure that one out. But we're coming up to 12-minute mark, so I'm going to wrap this up in a moment, and I guarantee I'll probably see something I really like and start filming. Like, I need to upload a whole bunch of stuff, so I'll probably do that when I get back to the hotel and take some time out, but not a time out for foolishness, eh? But I'm not too sure how long I'll stay here in Sanur, or Sanur, however it's pronounced, but yeah, we'll try and do a live stream here at least, but by that time, yeah, but we'll see how we go. There's no guarantees in the game, so what I'll do is I'll wrap that up. Hit the likes, hit the thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed. Subscribe, unsubscribe, I don't really care. All the best, and sending out my love to everybody. Uru for now.